I don't want this feeling. I can't afford love. I try to find reason to pull us apart. It ain't working, cause you're perfect. And I know that you're worth it. I can't walk away.
Bakla, stop making that Marina pag nagkabalbas thing happen. Can you fucking stop? It's so stupid and it's so annoying. As in, para ka ng tanga at this point, eh. Ano? Tawag naman ng tawag to, eh. Ano nga? Anong peace po? Mukha kang tanga, eh. Sana minsan naiisip nyo na I mean kasi hindi naman kasi nakalabas yung mga mukha nyo sa account nyo, mga what you call this? Mga stan account naman kasi yung gamit nyo. Saka you guys are not using your actual face unlike the other people here, kaya wala kayong pakialam, saka wala kayong delikadesa. Pero mukha kayong tanga. Hindi nyo man naiisip na pag nag-comment kayo, parang, hala, oh my God, mukha akong tanga ka kasi i-comment ko to ng paulit-ulit tapos hindi niya na pinapansin. Naiisip nyo ba yun? Naiisip nyo ba yung B? Na mukha kayong tanga? Okay, rin lang sa inyo. O baka yun naman kasi yung goal nyo sa buhay, wag mukha kayong tanga. Which is, hindi ko na makapipigilan. Kung yun na talaga amat sa buhay nyo, na wag mukhang tanga, edi go, do it! Ano? Kanina pa kayo tawag sa akin, te. Tawag kayo ng tawag. Ako na lang magsasorry. Obi, sorry. Pinapatawad ko na kayo.
And you know I can't take it now or never. And you insinuate too much. You think we might be better. But to me,
Huwag kayo ito na sorry. Sorry. Sorry na.
you know what I'm thinking.
Sorry na.
See it in your eyes. You hate that you want me. Hate it when you cry. It ain't working cause you're perfect. And I know you deserve it. I can't walk away. Even though
Kiss mo kami. Ayoko, te. Baka may mga sipon kayo, te. Ako na nga lang hindi nagkakasakit sa mga bakla, eh. Oh my God, si Wallflower, asshole ka ha. Putang ina mo ah. Gago ka ah. Tawa ako dito. Thank you so much, EJ, for sending me heart me. Ba't ko siya in-invite? Ano yun? Sabi ni Wallflower, kiss mo kami sa 22 ma. Ayoko. Guys, hindi siya salamin talaga. It's a fucking shade siya. Shades siya. Tinanggal ko lang yung frame. Ma, I saw you running sa may Noveleta area before. Congratulations, my dear. Oh, guys. Oh, tatlo na yung, dalawa na. Ay, tatlo na. Yung mga isasagot nyo is, itanong nyo pag tinanong na, kung ako ba ay, ito, quiz time tayo, quiz time. Ano ang isasagot pag tinanong ako kung, ready na, ang comment ay, oh my God, nagpa-lip fillers ka ba? Ano ang isasagot? Paulit-ulit tayo. Kayo na sasagot na to every time ha, para hindi na ako naiirita. Oh. Ayan. Oh. 5, 4, 3, 2, ayan. Okay, ang next question natin ay OV card. Gusto kitang makita. Saan yung show mo? Ano ang isasagot? Ano ang isasagot? Ano muna isasagot? Mamaya ko nang sabihin kung sino ang makakapasok sa sa next round. Ang lamig din. Hindi kaka-announce ko lang kanina eh. Pinuhulaan nyo na lang talaga. Ang pangit mong tanong. Ayan. Ito, Pin. Yeah, kita yung Manila. Okay. Ikatlong question. Alam mo, naiiritan na ako sa kantang to, te. Naiiritan na. Ang pangit ang playlist na to. Naiirita ako sa playlist na to. Nasisira yung mood ko eh.
Free sports and preacher, but tell me I did it wrong, but hey.
Ay! Susunod na question. Saan daw nabili ang aking salamin? Ayan, saan daw nabili yung salamin pag tinanong? Oh. Ayun! May nakasagot to. Ayan. Ayan.
DJ innovator when it comes to scratch. Matching my style, matching my style. DJ innovator when it comes to scratch. Matching my style. DJ innovator when it comes to scratch. Matching my style, matching my style. DJ innovator when it comes to scratch. 1, 2, 3,
4. Grabe naman, ang dami naman sinasan ni Yona. Thank you so much, Yona, sa mga gifts. Ay, natakot naman ako sa iyo, Yona. Nagulat ako. May isa pang frequently asaan galing ni mo. Manood kayo. Ito Alam nyo bang mayroong tinatawag alam nyo ba na meron tayong tinatawag na Meet the Queens, and sa Meet the Queens na yun ay in-explain ko kung saan galing yung pangalan ko clearly and in a very clear way. HD pa nga yun, diba? So ayun, hindi ko na siya i-explain ever kasi meron na tayong solid na media, like a video form of it, of me explaining it. sa Drag Race. Stop spamming please or else you're gonna get muted or blocked. It's annoying, girl.
Match my style. DJ innovator when it comes to scratch.
Pabalikan nyo na lang ulit eh. Tama, right. Andiyan naman siya sa online naman siya eh.
Match my style. Match my style. DJ innovator when it comes to scratch. American Express.
Huh.
American Express. American Express.
Hello.
American Express. American Express. American Express. American Express. American Express. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, yung 5,000 words, eh.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Meron bang teacher na nagpapagawa ng ganun, te? Oh, te. Tapos, eto pa, explain ko na rin since nandito na rin naman kayo. The reason kung ba't hindi ako masyadong ma-shout out, and the reason kung ba't hindi ako masyadong shout out Kineso. Perfect example, nakita niyo yung nangyari sa mga influencers and sa mga artista na attach doon sa mga anak ng yung mga nepo baby, and they were parang people assume na ganun sila kahit hindi naman talaga just because of that one photo together. I don't know, ganun yung logic ko, takot eh. Kasi hindi ko naman din kilala kung sino yung sinashoutout. Syempre naman, di ba, understandable naman yun. Gets ba? May sense ba yung sinasabi ko? Pero syempre naman, minsan di ba, pag may amats ako dito, pag amats ko na manggago, nagka-shoutout rin naman ako. But, since Arizona Brandy opened up the door, i-check ko siya kung paano, how it's gonna work, and I might just do it. Sino ba tong napapansin? Okay. Ang hina nung kanta. Oh, nababasa ko naman comment nyo. It's just that hindi nababasa ko yung comment nyo. Hindi lahat kailangan kong reactante. Nakakapagod Saka recognize ko naman kayo naiintindihan ko naman kayo Wala, oh my God. Confirm news na napatay ni anak ni Kuya Kim. Di ba? Hindi lahat ng comments kailangan reactan nyo. Tapos paulit-ulit spam nyo pa. Lalo ako may irritate Nakakabwisit siya actually. Di ba? Nakakabwisit na paulit-ulit Para siyang yung mga fans na para siyang yung mga fans na nakatalikod ka, tapos tinatawag ka ng tinatawag, tapos sa sobrang taing-tae, yung gaganunin ka yung masakit na kalabit, bakla, what do you fucking mean? Ganun yung ginagawa nyo sa akin online. Pag paulit-ulit. Papansinin ko naman kung habe yung comment, di ba? Kanina daw nagpipin pa nga ako dito. Di ba? Naisip nyo ba yun? Sorry naman, hindi! Hindi! I'm sorry. Hindi! Ayun. So, yun lang naman po. Welcome to the pregnancy of Ovicard. Hey! Ito yung favorite ko right now. Ito.
Then it goes a little something like this.
Q&A tayo. Di ba maglagay nung akong puro hus? Paano ba yon? Yung may maglalagay dito ng ganon? Sticker? Ito ba yun? Q&A pero bawal Drag Race related. Ba't ang ikli lang? Okay na ba yan? Ayan. Lakas ng type. Wala kang pakialam. Ayan. Nakayarang ko kaya siya sa bumukha ko. Ay, maliit lang siya. Ayan, ako. Okay. Okay, anong favorite and least favorite mo na scent? Ang favorite ko na scent is I like the smell of roses. Like yung old money na roses. Ayan, anong age ko? I'm 27 years old, February 14, 1998. Next question. How can we achieve world peace with kindness and understanding and giving everybody? Parang, think of it na parang isipin mo na lang na lahat ng taong na nakaka-interact mo is lahat ng nakaka-interact mo is tanga, or it's either they're really stupid or they're what do you call this, going through something. Parang give them grace, understanding, gano'n. Pet peeves mo, Maush, madami, sobrang dami. Mauubos yung oras natin para mangyari yan, te. Tapos, favorite number sa electric fan, number 3, kahit may aircon na naka-electric fan pa rin ako. I love the coldness. What do you think is your best contribution for preventing global warming? I think my best contribution in preventing global warming is my gorgeousness and my beauty. I do believe that my visual element and my talent is already a gift to the world. Thank you so much. Where do you see yourself in 5 years from now? I see myself 5 years from now not here in the Philippines. I really would love to enjoy and then explore my artistry beyond just the stage and the Philippines, if you know what I mean. Hindi, parang ayoko nang ikahon yung sarili ko ever since I experienced doing drag and performing in Los Angeles and in New York. It opened up my brain that there is an actual space for me, and it's possible for me to have a space and enter that space without thinking na parang am I the odd one out here. Hindi ko katulad nung nangyari sa rampa na parang yung ginawa ko sa rampa na performance would be so basic and so normal for them. And that's the magic of drag that I really want to experience on a regular basis, instead of me thinking of kailangan kong mag-adjust para sa audience ko at maisip na ang lagi kong iniisip maintindihan kaya nila yung ginagawa ko, and hindi yun dapat ang as an artist. Hindi dapat ganun ang pagpapatakbo ng utak, dahil nasasayang yung idea and the feeling of authenticity. And as an artist, ayun, Next question tayo. What country, place would you like to be? I would like to go to an experience. I would love to experience and go to Berlin. I want to go to Germany one day. As in, what are your strengths and weaknesses bukod sa neck cases? Napakalibog mong babae, te. Palibog ka, te. What course did you take when you were still in college, ma? I did college during 2014 sa De La Salle College of St. Benilde School of Design and Arts, pero ang pangalan niya na ngayon is DAX. I studied production design, but I didn't finish it because it felt like it was not for me. Like, I'm like 2 years na nag-graduate na ako, che. And then, after that, I transferred to SOFA School of Fashion and Arts sa Makati, and studied fashion design for 2 years, but I didn't finish that too because I started my drag career. Like started going like that, and then I did fashion styling for years to sustain myself, and I did celebrity styling for local celebrities and doing music videos, TV ads, TV ads, and then doing magazine covers and whatnot. Next question po. Ayan. If a genie grants you 3 wishes, what do you intend to wish for? It's too hard to answer that question. Spicy food or salty? Salty, bebe. Taga-Cavite ako eh. Any advices in life na tumatak sa isip mo? Recently, I started journaling sa notes app ko. And, doon sa journaling ko ng note apps ko na parang sinulat ko siya na parang I just know that people despise me or people hate me or people don't like me for God knows what reason, and the only way to get rid of me is for me to die, and unfortunately that's not happening anytime soon. So yun yung parang na-realize ko recently. Papasok ba ako bukas pa? Pumasok ka. Do you have plans on pursuing other careers? Yes, I have plans po. Yeah. Kailan nagsimula yung love mo for arts? Growing up, I've been surrounded by people who's into arts and whatnot. Yun talaga. Like, yeah. Hello. Kasama ba kami sa plans mo? Who knows? I mean, tayo dito. Hindi luto yung onion, te. Tawag dito. Kasama ba kami sa plans mo? I mean, who knows? I mean, it depends din sa inyo guys if you guys are still into whatever the fuck I'm gonna be doing in the near future, te. Kasi parang hindi naman depende sa inyo if you guys still want to like support na or whatnot or gusto nyo na akong iwan. Parang one thing na na-realize ko na parang people will actually support you and believe in your vision no matter what. Kung ano man yan, kahit drag pa yan o hindi pa yan drag, supportahan nyo. Like, I'm that type of person. Kasi parang yung vision ng artist nila, I mean, maybe that's their evolution eh. Yung ganun talaga. Iba-iba ang evolution ng mga tao and that's the magic of art. No? Next question. Hanap pa tayo next question. Ayan na, rapid fire question na to. Ayan. Advice on people who are still figuring out their lives. To tell you honestly, and to be honest with you, baby girl, I'm still fucking figuring things out for me too. I didn't really think of it na parang once I enter Drag Race, carry na yung buhay ko, like masaya na ako and everything, and magiging dito, and everything will be so much easier and whatnot. Me, when I'm stupid, hindi ka ba nagbabasa? Ayan, nairita ako. Pero yun nga, na parang there's this intense energy of just seeing whatever the fuck happens in life, yet holding on to that hope every time that, you know, hopefully this shit doesn't go south or whatnot. I don't know if that makes sense for everybody. Diba? Yeah. So, do we have other questions if we're reading the fucking thing sa taas? Ayan, may nag-comment dito. Ayan, sabi ni Jello, Dudig, open close parenthesis, exes always come back. I would only consider one guy na as an ex. And I haven't had like an actual boyfriend for a long time. I am proud of you mga ka-DDS. Patuloy lang ang iyong buhay sa pambilang Duterte para sa bayan. Ulul. Ayan. Balenciaga. Ito sa sutog siya. Ganon. Yeah. Are you open to date? I'm open to date. Yeah, sure. It's just that, like, I don't know. Personally, I find it really hard to find, like, proper people to date around. Cause sometimes masyado akong mataas sa, like, on how I live my life. Minsan hindi nila kinakaya yung fantasy ko siya. And naaawa ako. Yeah, but yeah, I'm open to dating. Hindi ko naman isasarado yung doors ko. Ang birthday ko ay pinanganak ako ng February 14, no? Who knows? I mean, there's this feeling inside of me that the love of my life will be I feel like the love of my life will be just around the corner. And parang ang lapit na namin sa isa't isa. Yun lang yung feeling ko. Tsaka I'm also like not the type na like for first move. So if yun nga, kasi I get shy. What is the fantasy na magiging boyfriend mo? Somebody, or maybe in Berlin, who knows, yeah. Oh my God, Aquarius ka nga pala. That's why your mind is amazing, right? Yeah. So, ayun. I mean, yeah. Because sometimes I just vibe with people. Sometimes hindi talaga, Berlin is not really the place for relation unless you're open to sharing one. Right, exactly. Ito, tama rin naman din yun. But I really want to, like, honestly, like, totoo, pangarap ko maging Mrs. te. Oh my God. I wanna be a fucking housewife. Gusto ko magkaroon ng asawa and everything, and magkabahay and everything. Yeah. Andun na tayo sa part na yun ng usapan na yun. One thing you can't live without. I can't live without happiness. Anong pangalan nung Sige ko tanong, baby, you are the love of my life. Oh. What's the name of that guy? But I can't imagine you shouting good morning mga misis. Gaga. Yeah. Si ano yun? Anong pangalan nun? Anong pangalan nun? What the fuck is that niya? I need that fucking song right now. Kailangan ko siya mapakaganda. Kundi, girl, I'm gonna get so mad. Ay nga, baby. Ayun, tain na nyo. Ayan. Kilikiligan muna tayo mga bebe. But yeah. Pero definitely, if I start dating and whatnot, ay, ang disconnect siya, Neng. So yun nga, ang ending na naman natin, te, mahal-mahala na naman tayo. Ano bang klase to, te? Pero yeah, like, I'm telling you guys, ngayon pa lang na parang if ever I go dating around and if I have like a boyfriend, you guys will never know about it. Hindi na para, girl. Hindi ko papaalam sa inyo na may jowa na ako. Maloloka na lang kayo, te. Hindi naman siya sa iwas barang, pero kasi I've seen how the Drag Race, kahit yung 15 lang makaalam walang makakaalam, te. Maloloka na lang kayo. Kasi I've seen how the Drag Race fans have no actual tag dito I've seen how Drag Race fans they would comment na parang kayo pa ba ni ganito? Ano nangyari sa ganito? Like, the para social relationship of the fans, and I won't allow that to happen to the guy or the girl that I'm gonna be dating, or the them that I'm gonna be dating. Parang hindi niya deserve my experience after everything that could ever happen. But I'm telling you guys, I really love going on dates, as in, tangina. I love going on dates, as in. Balute. Paborito ko nang ikipag-date kahit isang date lang. Like, yung dinner date, oh my god, fuck. Napapangiti na lang talaga ang pagod. Saan gusto mo pag first date? Dinner date. Ang daming checklist na lumalabas pag dinner date, as in. Do you love steak dinner? Carry lang. I love eating complicated food in front of dates. Ang sobrang asshole, pero ang dami ko ng lalaking dinala sa sa alam mo yung One to Sawa, yung 5, 6, 7, 8. Alam niyo yun? Ayan, aalis na si Jelly, pwede na tayo magpaakyat ng mga tao. Te, paborito ko makipag-date doon, te, as in. Thank you so much, Zain Raven, sa bibingka mong 5. Baka mabusog ako, che. Hello. Bakit doon bukod sa oysters? Di ba doon sa 5, 6, 7, 8, merong, ang paborito ko doon is yung ceviche. Tsaka, ceviche na yung may squid. Ewan ko, wala, favorite ko doon kasi parang, it's the lights are, dim enough for it to feel like it's an intimate, for it to feel like it's an intimate place. Mahirap ka ba sa mga foods na mahirap i-pronounce? I love it. Yeah, I love complicated food. How do you not get nervous during dates? Baby girl, you go in. You go in like a, you go in like an asshole, confidence of an asshole, but careful, like, introvert ako. Believe it or not. I get really shy outside. I don't know if you guys have seen me sa kunyari out of drag or whatnot, bakala hindi na para mapapansin tahimik lang ako sa gila. I'm a mind my own fucking business. I'm not gonna be dancing around and showing off whatever bullshit. Kailan birthday mo, Mafia? Ready 14, 1998. It was all I ever asked of you. Turn off mo sa dates. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. All I ever asked of you. Ang turn-offs ko sa dates ay I don't know, walang flavor. May naka-date ka na broke ka, yeah. Meron naman. Yeah. What do you do pag may awkward silence during dates? I mean, go. Wala lang, chill lang. Always very approachable in person, talking by experience. Totoo ba? Kasi nga, tangent naman tayo na very like, parang, I get it that I have a very intimidating face in and out of fucking drag. So parang, people, girl, I'm gonna fucking block you. Block. Ang lalate. No ka nang papansin, nasisira. Sorry guys, may nagpa-flood Sorry. Sorry, Mida. Anyway, what am I gonna say? Ayun, kasi somebody said here na ayan, Ovi is very approachable in person, talking by experience. Parang I get it that I have a very intimidating energy in and out of drag. So parang people who are actually brave enough to approach me, and this goes with people who like na nakakalandian ko sa night outs and shit, like turn on sa akin yung matapang na lalaki Kaya mo to? Kaya mo ha? Go. Sige, sa'yo na to. Ito ng butas ko. Gets ba? Sige, ito ng butas ko. Yung mas strong pa sa'yo. Yeah, I really love a confident guy. I see. Yeah. Ang daming intimidated sa looks ba lang. I don't know, man. And I feel like it's parang siyang parang siyang kaya I felt talaga na sinabi, amin na ako guys, di talaga ako ganun kamaldita. Kailan ko sinabi yan? Kailan ko sinabi yan, hindi yan pwede. Ano type mo sa guy? I'm not really into twinks, to tell you honestly. Sinabi guys sa season 2, anyway, like I'm not really into twins. I'm into like guys who's like into arts. Someone na hindi ko na kailangan na explain yung art form ko. Te, wait lang, nilalamig na ako, te. Baka magka-pulmonya ako, te. I-off ko lang yung electric fan. Ah. Ano yung sinasabi ko? What the fuck am I talking about? Girl, maldita ka by mood. Amats-amats lang. Tao rin naman din ako. Yeah, man that loves art. Somebody who hindi ko na kailangan i-explain yung art ko. And yeah. Kasi ang hirap kasi parang ang dami kong kailangan i-reveal. And I think that's something na parang kind of weird sa status ng like, hindi naman sa status ko. Yo, this is so fucking disgusting. Ang taas-taas ang tingin sa sarili, te, kadiri. Pero yung since I came from a reality TV show competition na parang ang weird kasi na parang meron yung getting to know namin is parang yung getting to know kasi it's gonna come from me. Ako yung I'm gonna know who the guy is kasi parang kahit pa paano may parang preview na siya kung sino ako eh. Which is, you know, it's weird. Sobrang weird doon, te. Naiintindihan nyo ba yun, te? Kung gaano ka-weird yun? Sobrang weird no, kasi sobrang weird ng feeling na yun. Like, especially right now, oh my God. And there was this one time, kwento lang naman to, hindi naman to kiss and tell. Like, there was one time, like, night out namin ng friends ko na, like, we were dancing and everything, There's this guy na, like, we started, like, making out and everything. Tapos parang kinuha niya yung IG ko. Kuha niya yung IG ko, give ako ng IG ko and everything. Loka siya, te. Pagsulat ko doon, te, OV ka to nakalagay, te. O, di ba ganon? Loka siya, te. Loka siya, te. So, ayoy lang naman. Che. Hindi ko na kaya, che. Masarap pa din yung interested na guys sa'yo, like, who are you behind OV? Yeah, I really love that. Like, as in, super, like, sobrang green flag sa akin yung hindi, yung first, yung, like, from the first time we met until the next date, hindi ka nagtatanong sa akin na kahit anong Drag Race related, hindi ka nagtatanong na kahit anong behind the scene about Drag Race, hindi ka nagtatanong ng mga insider tungkol sa Drag Race, hindi ka kasi wala kang tinatanong tungkol sa Drag Race, te. Fuck it up, te. Mag-asawa na tayo. Gets ba yun, te? Wow. Worst date experience mo? Kumbaga parang how do I explain it? Kumbaga parang it feels good to be seen with your humanity instead of somebody somebody that came from that reality TV show. Nakaka-turn on talaga siya, che. Tangina. Love bomb yan sa akin, che. Love bomb! Boosh! Tell us, Drag Race, a gift or a curse in terms of your dating life? It's a fucking curse, baby. Curse siya, te. Grabe, te. Love bomb yan sa akin, te. Love bomb! Go! Date tayo. Kita tayo. Linggo-linggo. Kape tayo, be. Holding hands pa. Holding hands pa tayo. Ano love language mo? Physical touch and time. Hindi ako masyado sa physical. Yung mga gift, no? Di natin. Kumbaga makasama lang kita. Masaya na ako. Makita lang kita.
Maybe it's the fact that every time I fall, I lose it all. But you got me from my head to my feet, and I'm ready to die.
Sumakto yung kanta. Yeah.
It isn't working. I'm a turn away from question marks. You just saw
Basta feeling ko talaga,
leaning into me like it's enough. It's so crazy.
she's just parang,
You just understand my
feeling ko parang, I definitely know that I just know that he's right there, or they are right there, or she's right there. Yeah. So earlier somebody asked me, hindi ko na siya nasagot actually, na parang somebody asked me if somebody asked me earlier if ano yung how I identify. I identify as a non-binary person. Like, I'm the most non-binary person. Kaya si Yona daw. Siya daw. And, yeah. I'm so non-binary that I would literally date anyone as long as I have the connection with them, like a genuine connection with them. Like, I would literally date a trans man, a trans woman, a fucking lesbian. Date, just not straight, just not a straight, straight bro. No, straight guy. Fuck that. I'm not gonna put myself into that pain. Ever. Kasi I've heard so much story about people falling in love with straight boys. And I think that's really stupid. Yeah. Gets ba? May sense ba yun? I don't know. Why would you put yourself into, pain? Kagagahan yun, te. Alam mo na mga straight yun, te. Hindi yung may in love yun, te. Baka lang gusto ko mag-Yossi. Gusto ko mag-Yossi. Ano Yossi ko? Marlboro Black. I tried dating straight people and like basic din yung plans niya sa buhay tapos controlling pa. Sorry guys, smoke cigarettes. Ganoon talaga. Pa-cool kid kasi ako eh. Grabe yung kantang yun, te. Kinalibutan ako sa save yan sa akin. Save. I'm ready to dive. Tapos yun, na parang ay taray. Clearo. binigyan ng Marlboro Black. Ang tanga-tanga nyo, te. Ang tanga-tanga nyo. Right. Ang dami mong alam, Jelly. Payagan nyo na ako mag-Yossi break. Panoorin nyo na lang ako. Binawi ba? Tanigas yung utong. Clock. Clock yun, te. Ayan. Clock yun, te. Nanigas kaya utong ko kanina, te. Kaya hinahawakan ko yung dede ko kanina. Oo nga, hindi ko naman papakita. Hindi ko naman papakita, te. Baka la-end call ko na to. Oh my God, baka kininig ka. Te, yusi na ako, te. As in. Ay, si spammer. Ate, OA ka. Kanina ka pa, te. Napaka-OA mo. OA, te. Ay, pinansin na. Tumingil ka na. Kakasabi lang na ayaw. Mag-shorts nga ako. Baka malas na itlog ko. Hello. Okay, kailangan ko mapalaki yung ano. Ayan. Hindi ko siya nababasa, chef. Bobo, aray nalaglag kami. Ano ka bata? Hi.
I wish this would be over now, but I know that I still need you here. You say
Ang pangit tong kanta.
I'm crazy.
Nothing I know what you've done. That's right. Ang baduy-baduy nung kanta, te.
Baby, I know I'm not the
Ang baduy nung kanta, te.
Just stop your crying, it's a sign of the times. Welcome to
Gago ka.
you wearing your best.
Eto. I'm not sure if totoo siyang Issey Miyake. notes.
Running apart with my best friend. Wanna go with everything that I could. Wanna show some of yours instead. I wanna love with somebody who understands. Have this strength to truly like myself. Now the love takes all my time. I was down in the lowlights, getting hounded by moths and dickheads. Your uncle came in, I get up one of the nose. He was somber and kind as I self-flagellated brother. Told me to come back, but I cheated at school. Straight to my
Talk to You by Sam Fender, Elton John.
I don't want an excuse for my mess. Just wanna talk to you. Wanna talk with my best friend. Wanna go with everything that I could. Wanna show some of yours instead. But I wanna help you.
Ganyan, Navy.
Love with somebody who understands. Have this strength to truly like myself. Who have the love that takes all my time. I wanna talk to you. I wanna talk to you. Oh, I just wanna talk to you. Oh, I wanna talk to you.
Ganto to sa iced coffee, no? Na para bang isa siyang cool rich tita na hindi nakapag-asawa ang atake mo dyan. Bakit? Hala, bakit may ano ng nudity? Nakadamit ako. Kung kailan ako nag-BS o nagkaroon ng nudity, kineso. Sobrang cool niyo po. Wait lang. Babalik ko lang yung puan. I'm back. Ang lamig. Ang saya. So ano pa? Sige, go. Rapid fire questions pa tayo. What time bedtime mo? Pagkakatulog na ako, which is around 4 a.m. Di na pinapansin si OV, tayo na mag-uusap. Tama. Go, rapid fire questions pa tayo.
offline
That's my OV.
and time to
Lights on or lights off? May lamp. O, sagutin nyo daw, glasses from there, from where daw? Replyan ninyo nga si Oven ng papansin, Char. Gago.
High anticipation. It's
Pero yeah, I can't wait to fall in love again. Whoa.
Don't know how you do it. You're always striking the match. And I think I'm gonna burn out. Then you touch me like that.
Whoa.
Learning to be patient.
Ah, oh my God.
Save the best for the best.
Fall in love gusto, fall asleep ayaw.
Save a kiss for me tonight. Wait for me, no compromise. Promise you it won't be long. Just save a little bit of your loving, baby. Say you want the whisper mine. Save the thought of me tonight. Promise you.
Agang locking naman yan, ma. Oo.
Just save a little bit of
Talaga.
your
Ang lakas.
Save a little bit of your love.
Wala ka bang kinakausap? No. I don't know. I'm too shy to do the first move, to be honest with you. Yeah. Kaya ako mag first move, te.
I keep on hitting rewind.
Kasi, bakit nga ba?
Now I need you, baby.
Bakit nga ba ako nihiya mag first move?
Now my heart is racing, passing all the places we've been. Counting down
Basta.
the minutes till I feel
Hiya ako.
all the pain. Save a kiss for me tonight. Wait for me, no compromise.
Meron akong crush dito sa ano.
Promise you it won't be long. Just say a little bit of love, baby.
Sabi ko ba to?
Say you want the whisper mine. Save the thought of me tonight.
Andito siya sa TikTok, te. Crush ko lang naman siya. Like, bet ko lang naman siya. Pero hindi naman joy-joy. Say a little.
Save a kiss for me tonight. Wait for me, no compromise.
Okay lang yan. It is better to attract than to chase. Ika nga, right?
Just say a little bit of love, baby. Say you want the whisper mine. Save the thought of me tonight. Promise you it won't be long. Just say a little.
Sabihin ko ba? Oh my God, ayun na, konti na lang yung tao, te. Tayo na lang yung nagkakaintindihan, te. Ito na yung intimate hours. So, Char. Biglang dumami yung mga, di ba? Pinipindot lang nila yung views eh. Nahuhuli nga ako, te. Nanonood ako ng live niya. Tapos, bigla niya sinabi habang while I was, di ba, pag hindi ko siya kasi, I don't wanna view his, yung live niya. So, dumadaan sa feed ko yung live niya. Tapos, nanonood lang ako, hindi ko siya kiniklik, te. Tapos, bigla niyang sabihin din na meron daw siyang app. I don't even know if it's true or what not. Meron daw siyang ginagamit na parang nakikita daw niya yung mga nag-views ng live niya na hindi kiniklik yung live. And I wanna actually figure out Actually, I wanna figure out how that works. Buka ayute, tapos nalimutan ko na nagno-notify pala na nagno-notify pala sa live pag sinesend yung live sa kaibigan. Sinesend sa akin lagi ng isa kong friend. Bukayo, sabi niya hello daw sa akin. Hello daw kay OV. Kita ko siya in real life sa isang party. So late niya mas mali siya sa akin. Siyempre hindi ko sasabihin, di ba? Hindi ko sasabihin, di ba? Ba't ko sasabihin sa inyo mga mahadera kayo? Sarap pa siya in real life, mother. Carry lang. Ang ano niya is parang medyo visually na-check naman niya lahat. May bigote siya. Salamin. Got thick brows. He is into the arts. He's cultured. Pero yun nga lang, he's so small. He's cute. Yeah. Lagi nagla-live dito sa TikTok, parang wala nang ginagawa yung tao yun eh. Hello. Like, how small is too small, mom? I'm 5'7", 5'6", 5'7" ako. Parang hanggang dito ko lang siya. So much taller than him. Ganyan sila pag may pa-announce, right? Yeah. Small kings, tangina, nakakatawa, what do you mean? Short king. But he's so cute. Didn't really say hi to him kasi ayoko mag-first move. Pero nag-hi siya sa friends ko kasi kilala niya yung friends ko. Funny. Sabi nila short kings have little face hurts talaga. Yeah, most of them. Cute yun. Fairness, sobrang cute niya. OV ka, no ka ng lande, pailalim ang paglalande. Nakakagulat mga pogi na mukhang mataas sa pic pero maliit area. Wala na siya masabi, right? Nag-swoon over na lang talaga. So isa yung sobrang crush yung lawyer. Wow. Oh my God. Nok, ano lande. Kakahiya. Ayun. Ano ang gusto nyo? Minsan lang yan, enjoy na natin, right? Minat eh. Black Cat Energy ka ba or Golden Retriever? Halo-halo te. Halo-halo. I tend to when I'm outside because I don't wanna be I don't wanna be zoo pa lang atake. Gago. Halo-halo energy, yes. Special te. Meron pa yung ano. Meron, meron pa yung ano, ube sa ibabaw. Bobo kayo te. Iirita ako pag naka
Boy once, yeah.
ayan, ito yung kanta te.
His family went to some like family barbecue, and in the end, oh no, you're not my girl. You know, we're just like hanging out, aren't we?
Oh, my love. It's been a long, long road to get here, but you never said what you wanna do. Oh, my love. It's been a long road, but you never said if you're letting me go. For sure. If you won't let me go, then you gotta try hold me close.
I could be with anyone. I'm buzzing like a pussycat.
You're the only one I want. Give love and then you take it back.
Ayan o, Step 80 na lang ulit eh.
I hate it when you give me out.
Never give. Oh My Love by FKA Twigs.
Everybody knows that I want your love. Why you playing, baby boy? What's up? Everybody knows that I want your love. Why you playing, baby boy? What's up? Everybody knows that I want your love. Everybody knows that I want
Naka-CF
your
na,
love.
no?
Everybody knows that I want your love. Want your love. Want you wanna waste the day. I wanna spend the night. When I'm
Leaving me one away, I wanna make it right. You're just pushing me, pulling me, killing me.
softly, softly.
Oh my love. Thoughts on your sexual? Love it. I love your sexual.
But you never say if you let me
Go for sure.
what you wanna do.
Nakakatawa yun. Sino magre-reply dito? Tila bagay para kayong para mga VA.
Be with anyone. I'm bustin' like a pussycat. You're the only one I want.
Parang pagod nakakasagot ni Ma. Diba nga? Paulit-ulit kasi.
I hate it when you give me out. Never give me out.
Ay, ano pa? Diba? So ngayon naiintindihan nyo na kung bakit ang init-init ang ulo ko pag paulit-ulit yung sagot eh. Naiintindihan nyo na ba? Naiintindihan nyo ba yun? Pag paulit-ulit yung mga tanong te. Te, nakakataba sagutin te. Tapos paulit-ulit pa nila, i-flood pa nila yung question te. Understood nyo na ba yun te? Do you guys understand that? Are you in with no doubt when the sun sets? I need to know what you think about. Ow! Ow! Napagalitan na ako, right? Everybody knows I want your love. Why you playing, baby boy? What's up?
Everybody knows that I want your love. Why you playing, baby boy? What's up? Everybody knows that I want your love. Everybody knows that I want your love.
Gusto mo na akong part-time kay Ovi, mga gaga.
Want your love.
Want you. Ayan na. Ito na yung part eh. Pakinggan nyo to.
No, but seriously, on a level, you're beautiful. We've not got a long time here, so love yourself, know your worth, and fuck crying over these stupid boys that don't even recognise the worth in themselves. Just wanna steal your youth. Bye! Bye! But I love you.
And
And I
Wish you could see you, what could see in you.
What everyone
Sees in you because that's the gold stuff right
That's the
there.
golden stuff right there. And these are your golden years, so...
Saan mo nakalungkat, gaga? Ganun talaga pag ano... Pag maganda yung music taste. Hello. Fuck! Gusto ko makipag-date eh. Like I think of you. Fuck. Pasabihin ko dito yung crush ko, te. Wala naman kayong magagawa. PM nyo, gagaba kayo. Mga bayo kayo, te. Gagawa tayo GC, guys. Mga gaga. Hanapin natin siya. Eh, di ko nga siya pina-follow eh. Hindi siya pina-follow, be. Hindi ko siya ipo-follow. Ikaw po mag-first move para sa kanya. Kagagahan kayo, te. Kami lalandi para sa'yo. Aba! Anong klase yan, te? Wait. Nakakatawa ito. Lahat ng nakasalamin may balbas, makapal kilay. Na naglalay ko, komenta namin ng crush ka ni Ovi, gago. I'm obsessed with your friends Rock on Season 2. Thank you so much. Ask mo muna yung height ni gago. Mga gago kayo, te. May trabaho nga ni night shift, may barba ng tanghali. Mga gaga kayo, te. I love this song. May sayaw ako para sa ano, te. Ipo-perform ko ta soon. Ganti yung kanta na yan, te. Bading ka siguro. Yes. Ayan, I love it, guys. This is so cute. Nagkakaroon na tayo ng sistema dito para mabawasan yung pag-rage bait sa akin ng mga paulit-ulit na paulit-ulit na mga tanong. Kayo na yung sumasagot. Ganun, te. Community building. dami moderate, 85. Dahil na rinuncia della tua irona voglio fare l'amore con questa canzone. Yay! Yung mga VA ang magtanong ng pangtanga sasagutin ng pangtanga. Tama. How do I share this? Basta Karen Paula check to eh. Try ko i-switch yung cam. Give it the... Ayan, screenshot niya. Okay, screenshot. Give it them. Ay, ang lala nung next song, te. Ang lala nung next song, te. Oh my God, i-flip po na natin yung camera. Ang lala nung next song, guys. Ready na ba kayo? Yung camera. Ang lala nung next song, te. Hindi ko ako bakit ko to kiniyu. Hi! Ang lala.
Go
nagtagpo, nag-usap ang ating puso, nagkasundo, magsama habang buhay. Nagsumpaan
Pangina comment to, te.
walang iwanan.
Ang moody ng Eamab na to, hayop.
Tagulan
Gets ba yung song?
haharapin bawat unos na magdaan.
Oh, ito yung part na to.
Sana'y di magmaliw ang pagtingin, kay daling sabihin, kay hirap gawin sa mundong walang katiyakan. Sabay nating gawin kahapon, bukas.
Wait. Not too much. Not too much. Not too fucking much. Bitch. Not too fucking much. Not too fucking much. Okay? Not too fucking much. Not too much, diva. You're getting too fucking sassy here, bitch. Not too fucking much. Not too fucking much, queen. You fucking bitch. Not too much. Not too fucking much, okay?
Ikaw at ako, di nag-isa. Tayong dalawa, may kanya-kanya sa isa't isa. Tayo ay sumasandal. Bawat hangad kayang abutin, sa pangambay di paalipin. Basta't ikaw, ako, tayo, magpakailan.
Like, gets siya ba yun? Te. Naiintindihan nyo ba yung lyrics na yun, te? Naiintindihan nyo ba yung lyrics na yun, te? Te, uulitin ko yung part ng ano na yun eh. Yung lyrics ng ano na yun, te. Patawan.
Ako, tayo,
Ito ulitin natin.
basta't ikaw, ako, tayo, magpakailanman. Kung minsan ay di ko nababanggit, pag-ibig ko'y di masukat ng anumang lambing. At kung magkamali ako'y di ka'y saktan. Puso mo ba'y handang magpatawad?
Yung next song. Ay, maganda yung next song. Maganda yung next song, te. Maganda yung next song.
Di ko alam ang gagawin kung mawala ka. Buhay ko'y may kahulugan tuwing ako'y iyong hagkan. Umabot man sa ating huling hantungan. Kapit puso kita hahayaan, ngayon at kailanman.
See right now, I need you, I'll meet you somewhere now. You up now, I see you, I get you today now. Slow down, be cool, I'll meet you, come here now. Until now, I need you right now. Once I leave you, I'm strung out. If I get you, I'm slowly breaking down. And no, it's hard to see you, but I wish you were right here. Oh, it's hard to leave you when I get you everywhere. All the time I'm thinking we could never be a pair. Oh no, I don't need you, but I miss you, come here. And no, it's hard to see you, but I wish you were right here. Oh, it's hard to leave you, but I wish you everywhere. He loves me, he holds me tight and lets me go. Guys, oh my god. Saan nyo na nga siya? Keme. Thank you so much, JM. Ayoko. Makasipin niya masyado akong down bad para sa kanya. Speaking of, i-play nga natin yung down bad. Ay, te, hindi. And no, it's hard to see you, but I miss you already. Oh, it's hard to leave you when I miss you everywhere. All this time I'm thinking we could never be a pair. Oh no, I don't need you, but I miss you, mommy. And oh, it's hard to see you when I wish you were right here. Oh, it's hard to leave you when I get you everywhere. Oh, this mga ka-CF, mga gago. Oh, I don't need you, but I miss you, mommy. He loves me now, he loves me. He holds me tight, then lets me go. He loves me now, he loves me. He holds me tight, then lets me go. He loves me now, he loves me. He holds me tight, then lets me go. He loves me now, he loves me. He holds me tight, then lets me go. You gotta say that you're sorry at the end of the night. Invite mo, promise, tahimik lang kami. Gago. Ano te? Ano, public humiliation, ritual. Gago, hindi na para. Actually, nalimutan ko nga pangalan niya. Nalimutan ko pangalan niya, te. Kalimutan ko pangalan niya.
At the end of the story, you're holding me tight. I don't need to worry, am I out? And oh, it's hard to see you when I wish you were right here. Oh, it's hard to leave you when I get you everywhere. Oh, this time I'm thinking I'm strong enough to sing it. Oh no, I don't need you, but I miss you, come here.
Uvi, may natutuwa lang sa'yo, Har. Dapat lagi may dalang lighter kasi nag-ask ka sa akin sa rampa, wala akong dala. Exactly. Yung panic ko na gusto ko mag-yosin, tapos wala akong lighter. Tangin na buhay yan.
Did you really beat me up? just do experiments on. Tell me I was the chosen one.
Show me that this world is bigger than us.
Then sent me back where I came from.
For a moment I knew cosmic love. Now I'm down bad crying at the gym. Everything comes up, teenage special eds, fuck it if I can't have him.
I might just die, it would make no difference.
Down bad, waking up in blood. Staring at the sky, come back and pick me up, fuck it if I can't have us. I might just not get up,
I might stay down bad.
fuck it if I can't have him. Down bad, fuck it if I can't have it.
Did you take all my old clothes? Just to leave me here, naked and alone. In the fields in my same old town. That somehow seems so hollow now. They'll say I'm nuts if I talk about the existence of you. For a moment I was heaven struck. Now I'm down bad, crying at the gym.
At the gym,
Everything comes out, teenage petulant.
fuck it if I can't have it.
I might just die, it would make no difference. Down bad, waking up.
Ay, magandang next song, tang ina mo.
I come back and pick me up, fuck it if I can't have us. I might just not get up, I might stay.
Magandang next song. Magandang next song. Andy, magandang next song.
Down bad, waving at the ship. Fuck it if I can't have him. I loved your hostile takeovers, encounters closer and closer. All your indecent exposures. How dare you save the hits? I'll build you a fort on some planet where they can all understand it. How dare you think it's romantic, leaving me safe and stranded? 'Cause fuck it, I wasn't
Ang
loved.
taasong next song. Sige, baliwin ko kayo, te.
Fuck you if I can't have a.
Baliwin ko kayo, Nay. Ang taas. Ang taas ng next song, te. Grabe, te. Rurok siya, te.
Fuck it, I wasn't loved. I'm down bad, crying at the gym. Everything comes out, teenage petulance. Fuck it if I can't have him. I might just die, it would make no difference. Down bad, waking up in blood. Staring at the sky, come back and pick me up. Fuck it if I can't have us. I might just not get up, I might stay.
Also, one thing that I like about boys, te, te, mahilig ako sa fagot, te. Baliw ako, te. Mahilig ako sa fagot, te. Kailangan kita makita kita ng a certain level of fagotry para mabitang kita, te. Ayoko sa masculine, guys. Like, I need to see a level of fagotry in your fucking blood, inside your body. Ayoko na naman nagtitigas-tigasan, te, naiirita ako. So, faggots to the front. Ito na yung next song ko na naiirita na ako kay Taylor Swift. Ayan na. Thank you so much, Missy Naj. it's worth it. It's always that I see you when I see you. Hindi pa tayo mataas. May mas mataas pa dito, te. Thank you so much, Princess, again. I could not deny it is overwhelming. Living out our lives for just one thing. Ay, sige pa. Ano sila kapistahan ng tip, te? I know I can see when caring in moments like this. I just hope it's enough to say my words don't come with age. I'm sure that you won't believe it, you'll be on my mind. I wait till the end of summer and I ran out of time. Yung top 5 yung mga moderators, right? It's a feeling in my bones. Can we do it tomorrow? And I know I can see man caring in moments like this. Te, ang ganda ng song na to, te. Don't regret. Thank you so much. Ang dami. Awit sa part-time job na to. Walang break time. Grabe tong song na to, te. True, ang sayo mag-beach, no? Ah, sige, ang dami. Pause. We need to pause the fucking music because of this fucking comment. Ay nako. May pang-date ka na po. Tangina mo. Pangalawa ka na. Anong A? Leche. Leche. sumunod yung likod ko. Fun doesn't make you shallow. Just wanna make it brighter. Just wanna live beside ya. I gotta go. My own, I do it on my own. Feeling in my bones. Can we do it tomorrow? I'ma do it on my own. Going through. Ano ba yung next song?